Larson Electronics EPS-PB10-2XC explosion-proof single push-button switch is designed for use in hazardous work areas such as chemical plants, oil refineries, and settings where combustible gases or dust may be present. This 10-amp device features a front-operated push-button switch that may be used to support basic features of machines lacking electrical circuits for control. When ordering this unit, buyers may choose from half-inch and 3/4 inch, dead-end, and feed-through options. This explosion-proof push-button switch is rated for 10 amps at 600 volts AC 60 Hz. The switch is supplied with an internal ground screw. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.